Hello, this is ESPIN Adam. We're happy to assist you with the upcoming presentation. Let us know if you need any help, and we'll be glad to be of service. Source code management, key features, tools, and best practices. Source code management include dives deep its features, tools, and best practices to help understand its importance in modern software development. Here are key takeaways from this topics. What is source code management? System or methodology designed to track and control changes in source code. It provides a centralized repository where developers can store code, track modifications, and collaborate with team members. Source code management is a cornerstone of software development. It minimizes the risk of errors, enhances collaboration, and ensures seamless integration and deployment of applications. Key features of source code management. 1. Version control tracks every change made to the source code, while maintains a comprehensive history of all modifications. Allow developers revert to previous versions when needed. 2. Branch and merge. Branch enables developers to work on different features, bug fixes, while merge combines code from multiple branches into the main codebase, resolving any conflicts that arise. 3. Collaboration tools allows multiple developers to work on the same project concurrently. 4. Access control ensures that only authorized individuals can make changes to the codebase, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or tampering. 5. Audit trails and logs, which maintains detailed records of all changes made to the codebase, while logs are invaluable for understand the who, what, and when of changes, which is critical for regulatory compliance. Benefits of source code management. 1. Improved collaboration. SCM systems provide a centralized platform that encourages teamwork. Developers can contribute to the same codebase, review changes, and refine the code collectively. 2. Enhanced code quality. SCM systems are instrumental in delivering high-quality software, which facilitate thorough examination of changes before they are merged into the main codebase. 3. Time and cost efficiency. SCM systems reduce time and operational expenses, which tasks like version tracking, merging, and deployment are streamlined, allowing developers to focus on coding. 4. Scalability. Designed to grow alongside your projects, which SCM systems adapt without compromising performance. 5. Seamless integration. Integrate with other tools and platforms, creating a cohesive development pipeline, which sync with IDEs to provide real-time updates and version tracking directly within the coding interface. Popular source code management tools. 1. Git, distributed version control system that Git allows developers to create branches for independent work, making it easy to experiment with features or fixes. 2. Apache Subversion, SVN, centralized version control system focusing on structured and secure collaboration. SVN maintains a single authoritative repository, ensure strict control over source code changes. 3. Mercurial, distributed version control system that offers simplicity and high performance. Mercurial is designed with simplicity in mind, making it an attractive option for teams looking for an alternative to Git. 4. Perforce Helix Core, enterprise-grade version control system designed to handle large-scale and high-performance projects, while optimized for managing large files and binary assets, making it a preferred choice for industries. How source code management fits into the SDLC. 1. Planning. Help teams set up a repository to store all the project's source code, where the entire development team can access, update, and collaborate on the code. 2. Development. Provides developers with a structured platform for writing and managing code. Developers can check out the latest version of the code from the repository, make changes, and commit them back to the version control system. 3. Testing, allowing automated tests to run whenever new code is pushed to the repository. This helps catch bugs early and ensures that new changes don't break the existing code. For fit deployment, systems integrate with CI/CD pipelines to automate the deployment process. CI/CD tools automatically build, test, and deploy the changes to staging or production environments. 5. Maintenance allows them to track changes, understand the context of previous decisions, and easily identify which modifications might have caused new bugs or issues. Best practices for effective SCM. 1. Establish clear naming conventions, use descriptive and consistent names for branches and files to maintain clarity. 2. Commit changes regularly, frequent commits ensure a detailed record of changes and prevent large, error-prone updates. 3. Write meaningful commit messages, clear commit messages help team members understand the purpose of changes. 4. Conduct regular code reviews, peer reviews enhance code quality and foster knowledge sharing. IT help identify potential issues, enforce coding standards, and share knowledge among team members. 5. Automate workflows, leverage tools to automate testing, merging, and deployment processes. Automation ensures that code changes are consistently validated and deployed. 6. Maintain a backup strategy, regular backups protect against accidental data loss. Backups should be part of a broader disaster recovery plan. Challenges in source code management. 1. Complexity in large teams. Managing contributions from large teams may lead to conflicts and delays. Establishing clear workflows and branch strategies can mitigate these issues. 2. Learning curve. Require training to use effectively. Training and documentation are essential to ensure all team members can effectively use SCM tools without introducing errors. 3. Integration issues. Ensuring compatibility with existing tools and workflows can be challenging. Integration issues may disrupt workflows or reduce productivity if not addressed properly. 4. Security concerns. Protecting sensitive code from unauthorized access requires robust security measures. Robust access control, authentication, and encryption measures should be implemented to maintain code security. Emerging trends in source code management. 1. AI-powered tools, integrated into SCM tools for smarter conflict resolution and predictive analytics. By automating repetitive tasks, AI allows teams to focus on higher-value development activities. 2. Cloud-based SCM, gaining popularity for their scalability and accessibility. Cloud-based repositories allow developers to collaborate from anywhere, maintain high availability, and reduce the need for local infrastructure management. 3. DevSecRetaryOps integration, incorporating security into SCM workflows ensures code safety from the ground up. Teams can identify vulnerabilities early, enforce compliance, and ensure code safety from the ground up. 4. Real-time collaboration, allow developers to work together in real time, improving productivity. Tools now allow developers to see live edits, comment instantly, and resolve conflicts collaboratively. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope it was valuable and informative. For questions, contact us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website. Thank you again and have a great day.